Go for it, doggy.
Come on out here. Come on. I'm not gonna hurt you. Come on. Come on. Come on. See his tail rattling?
That's a rabbit? That's not a rattlesnake.
No, but his tail's rattling. Come on. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you. Come on. This is an indigo. This motherfucker's a fan.
You need a stronger stick, bro. Bring it now.
Well, back up. Go. If he comes after me, doggy, I will kill his ass. You understand? Go.
Oh yeah, look at that tail. Watch it.
Yeah, I know. Oh! He's got fangs. I heard his fangs hit the board.
Damn, I don't know if I can see it with the damn sun. Okay, I'm stopping.